Good morning, Coryell's class.
Good morning, Mr. Pine.
Today we went through ratios 8.5. We skipped through a lot of chapter 8 because we wanted to get to ratios before you get to the 6th grade. Can you understand? Do you understand what a ratio is?
Yeah.
Do you know what ratios do?
Yeah.
Quick question. What is a ratio?
A relationship between two numbers.
All right, so ratios can be written 3 ways. Before we talk about the relationship between two numbers, I need to make sure you understand how to write them. You can write ratios in 3 different ways, yes?
Yes.
You can write them as a,
Fraction.
you can write them using the word,
Two.
or you can write them using a,
Colons.
if you have a ratio that is not in simplest form, what should you do?
Reduce.
Reduce. Now we said ratios were a relationship between two numbers, right?
Yeah.
We're going to imagine this is a pizza.
Yeah.
And we're going to imagine you ate one piece of the pizza. Yes or no?
Yeah.
This ratio right here that we wrote looks like a fraction because fractions are ratios, right?
Yeah.
And it's telling us that we ate one slice of the pizza, yes?
Yeah.
How many total slices were there?
4.
Do the 1 and the 4 have a relationship with each other?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're both talking about the pizza, right? 1 is how much we've eaten, 4 is how much we have left.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay? How about this? Is this also a ratio for the exact same pizza?
Yeah.
How much of the pizza has been eaten?
1.
But can we also say, well, 1 has been eaten, but how much is left?
3.
So can ratios be different things for the exact same object or the exact same pizza?
Yeah.
Is that why it's important to use, what are these things called right here? Is it important that we use labels?
Yeah.
Like super duper important?
Yeah.
Otherwise we wouldn't know what you're talking about, yes? Okay, cool. Let's see here. Can you write ratios as a decimal?
Yeah.
What if you don't have a denominator and you want to know what the second number is? What if you,
You do 1.
it would just be the number 1, right?
Yeah.
So like we were talking about circles to rectangles. If I said, well, the ratio is 67/100ths of a circle, if we have a ratio of 4 to 6, that bottom number would just be simply a, I know that's a little bit confusing. What does and mean in math? What does and mean in math? We good?